In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Volume Profile Indicator in TradingView. First, let's add the tool. With your chart open, click the Indicators button at the top. In the search bar, type Volume Profile, then choose the version you want. A great starting point is Visible Range Volume Profile. Keep in mind, TradingView requires a paid plan to use Volume Profile tools. So if you see an upgrade prompt, that's expected. Once it's on your chart, you'll see a horizontal histogram running along the price axis. Each bar shows how much volume traded at that specific price level. The thicker the bar, the more activity happened there. The longest bar typically marks the price level with the highest traded volume, often called the point of control, which can act as a magnet for price or a zone of interest. The visible range version recalculates based on what's currently on your screen, making it perfect for quick analysis. If you zoom into a tighter section of price action, the profile refocuses to that area. If you zoom out, it broadens to include more history. This dynamic behavior helps you quickly see where trading concentrated within the range you care about right now. To customize it, double-click directly on the profile to open the settings. Start with row size. Increasing the row size gives you smaller, more numerous rows, which adds detail and helps you pinpoint tighter clusters of volume. Just remember, more detail can sometimes add noise. So adjust it until the structure is clear but not cluttered. Next, look at the volume setting. Set it to total if you want the combined view of buying and selling volume at each price. Choose delta if you want to differentiate between buying and selling pressure, highlighting where buyers or sellers were more aggressive. Total is a clean overview. Delta offers more nuance if you need it. Finally, check the value area volume, which is usually set to 70%. This highlights the price zone where roughly 70% of the volume occurred within your visible range. You'll see the value area high and low marking that band. These boundaries, along with the point of control, can help you understand where the market spent the most time transacting, often acting as key areas of acceptance or potential reaction. That's it. Thanks for watching.